found out about Earthling Gluten-free from Instagram. All the yummy photos, gorgeous photos of the Dacquoise, and I knew I just had to try it. And now they've got their own shop. I'm really excited because now I think they can make even more amazing things, and then you can enjoy it with coffee. So I'm really excited. I would drive all the way to Poco for it.
My favorite flavor is probably mango, matcha, tiramisu, pretty much everything. So you can never go wrong with anything. It's definitely food that bake with love, so you're definitely gonna love it.
And then it's really cool that we can see them baking in the back.
I really like the mango cream one. Earl Grey was really good as well. Yeah, everything on their menu is like super healthy, super tasty. Everyone should give it a try.
Definitely this, the place is really nice. It has like a more like a indie cafe type vibe.
So if you haven't tried a Dacquoise before, it is really yummy. It's nice and light and really crispy. It's perfect with tea and coffee, so that's definitely something you should enjoy. It is sweet, but it is really, really delicious, so I hope you try it.